Hello children, today, we'll learn about an electric generator. An electric generator is a device that converts mechanical energy obtained from an external source into electrical energy as the output. Remember this.
Ma'am, could you please repeat the concept? I missed it.
Rowan, concentrate when you are in the classroom. I have another class, I don't have time now.
I couldn't understand what ma'am taught. Tomorrow we have a test. I am really worried.
Hey, Rohan, nice to see you. Why are you upset?
Unable to understand how an electric motor functions.
Hey, don't worry. Join Neural Pruning.
How does it help me?
They provide one-stop solution for online learning. We learned through them and succeeded. Go and visit Neural Pruning website and get solutions for an effective learning.
I will definitely access their website and learn. Thank you, Suresh.
All the best, Rohan.
What is generator? See, generator is a device which is used to convert mechanical energy into electric energy. See, motor is a device which is used to convert electrical energy to mechanical energy. Generator, device which converts mechanical energy to electrical energy. And it mainly works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. What is electromagnetic induction? When there is change in the magnetic flux linked with the coil, current is induced or EMF is induced. Due to that EMF, current flows to the coil. Now it's an electric generator. We need armature coil ABCD. Both the ends are connected to slip rings. In motor, we used split rings. Split rings acts as a commutator. Here we are using slip rings, complete circular coils. There we use just half of the circular coil. Slip rings, carbon brushes B1 and B2 and galvanometer. In motor we used battery. Here we are using galvanometer to detect the amount of current induced in the coil. Means whether the current is induced or not, we can detect with the help of galvanometer. Now, see, the armature coil is placed in the magnetic field. The two ends are connected to the brushes and then to the slip rings, and the brushes are connected to the galvanometer. See, if you rotate the coil mechanically, you have to apply an external force to rotate the coil. Rotate this coil in the clockwise direction. Means I'll rotate this arm AB upwards, and the magnetic field is from north to south. Look at this. This is the direction of magnetic field. See, the force on arm AB, it is upwards, and what's the direction of magnetic field is towards the right side, and then the current flows through this arm AB like this. Direction of force acting on the current carrying conductor is given by thumb. See, this is the direction of force, direction of motion of the current carrying conductor. Or here I can say that the direction of the conductor. It's very easy. Thumb shows the motion of the conductor. This is a magnetic field, and middle finger gives the direction of induced current. So now the direction of induced current is in this direction, A to B. Same way, direction of induced current through the arm CD is from C to D. Now this induced current, it flows in the direction from A to D, and then galvanometer shows the deflection. During one half of the rotation, see it rotates like this. Arm CD, it reaches to the position of arm AB. AB will reach to the position of CD. And see here this split ring, it rotates. Now the direction of current through the arm CD is upwards, and the direction of induced current through arm AB is downwards. After each and every half of the rotation, direction of the induced current through the arms changes. That's why it is called AC generator. AC generator, alternating current. And generator is a device which is used to convert mechanical energy to electric energy. During each and every half of the rotation, the direction of current induced through the arms changes. Suppose if I would like to get DC generator, instead of using slip rings, I'll use split rings. If I use split rings in the place of slip rings, it acts as a commutator. The direction of current remains the same. It means I can use AC generator or DC generator. It depends on whether we are using slip rings or split rings.
Bravo! Neural pruning is best. Now I can learn effectively and excel in class 10th, class 11th, class 12th, engineering and postgraduate study.